Bam. Sasa tuanze rasmi kipindi chetu na chimbo la talanta humu nchini. Nazungumzia michezo ya shule za upili. Hatua ya kitaifa itakuwa inaandaliwa kaunti ya Kakamega. Michezo yenyewe inaanza siku ya Jumanne wiki hii. Na pakubwa shule ambazo zimeweza kufuzu katika hatua hii ikiwemo Oyugi Ogango watakuwa na wakilisha ukanda wa Nyanza katika mchezo wa netiboli. Hawa ni mabingwa mara 3 wa mchezo huu wa netiboli, ama ukipenda mchezo wa pete kwa wasichana, na humu ndani watakuwa na saka kuweza kushamiri zaidi, kizingatiwa kwamba ndio mabingwa wa tetezi wa hatua ya kitaifa, na watakuwa na nia kuweza kunasa tiketi ya kuweza kufuzu hatua ya Afrika Mashariki, ambayo pia Kenya watakuwa mwenyeji, kaunti hiyo ya Kakamega ikiweza kuandaa mashindano hayo. Angazia wapi na wanaweza kuboresha wapi kuhakikisha kwamba wanang'aa? Hebu wasikize.
My name is Faith Ketra. I'm a student of Oyugi Ogango. Like for us, we have been starting from January to December. That is our endurance we do. We remain at school so that we can train. Now, as we are proceeding on to our nationals, we promise our Kenya that we will be number 1 to the nationals. We shall beat Bukohola.
I want just to say that we are well prepared as usual. And this time round, now that we've traveled to Rwanda, Uganda, and now it is in Kenya, it is going to be more fiery. We invite all to come and stand with us together with our chief and let us achieve the Kenya one that we all desire.
My name is Dolphin Oyugi Ogango. I'm a coach at Oyugi Ogango Girls Secondary School. We are fully prepared, and we are telling the Ugandan teams and everybody that is going to play at the East Africa is not business as usual. Prepare and remember, this is Oyugi Ogango coming strong, more than they were last year. And for all our competitors, netball is a game that should make sure everyone comes together. Everybody should come together. Let us contain everyone such that this game brings us together rather than separating us. Let everyone love netball and come to the nationals as we proceed to the East Africa. Now that is in Kenya, you come watch Oyugi Ogango play.
I'm Clifton Omondi, the head coach of Oyugi Ogango Girls Netball team. For the success of this team, we have had our main sponsor for the team is the chief principal, who is also the chief head coach. She's chief principal Rose Akinya Danja. We have exposed the girls to several tournaments, including the Netball League tournaments. We started in January, we went to February, and the most relevant one that the girls went to is the one that was hosted in Nairobi, where they were also doing the selection of the players. Apart from that, as a school, we also organized our netball tournament that was successful, and the girls really gained from that tournament.
My name is Rosa Kinya Danja. At times, they also call me a doctor because I've done my PhD. The game we chose as a school is netball. For the running 3 years, the school has been the champs in the region Nyanza. And for the running 2 years back, we have been Kenya 1. We have gone to Rwanda. We have gone to Uganda last year. Hopefully, we are representing Kenya in Kenya this year. I'm sure my team is good because I'm a coach. And I want to say that all this is because of commitment of the teachers, the commitment of the students, and above all, you give your all and then you ask God to give you what you want. And God has really helped us. And I still believe even next year we'll be still the champs, Kenya 1. We don't want to go to East Africa as Kenya 2 or 3. We want to maintain Kenya 1. So we just request everyone on board to propel us by giving us moral support and any support they can give.
Haya, tukitoka katika shule hiyo